How do you clear coat over rust and preserve the patina look? Preserving rust? Absolutely. That weathered age metal look called rust patina has become a signature finish in the automotive, industrial, and even art worlds. But how do you lock it in without letting corrosion take over? What is rust patina? Rust patina is the natural oxidized layer that forms when metal is exposed to the elements. Unlike flaky rust that eats away at metal, patina forms a relatively stable surface that adds a depth, character, and a sense of history. But left unprotected, patina can break down and turn into damaging rust. That's why it's crucial to seal the surface. What are the benefits of sealing patina? It enhances visual appeal. It protects patina from damage. It stops rust progression. It preserves historic and artistic value. How to apply clear coat over rust. Start by preparing the surface. Use a wire brush, 600 grit or finer sandpaper, or a red Scotch-Brite pad to remove loose or flaky rust. But don't overdo it, otherwise you remove the patina you want to keep. Next, clean the surface using KBS Klean. It's a residue-free cleaner that ensures proper bonding, unlike solvent-based options that can interfere with adhesion. Mix KBS Klean with warm water and apply with a dampened cloth or sponge to thoroughly clean the surface. Rinse with water and dry completely. Detailed instructions for using KBS Klean can be found on the KBS website. Choose your clear coat. We'll start with KBS Coatings DiamondFinish Clear that's offered in aerosol form and in cans. KBS DiamondFinish Clear 1K Aerosol is a professional-grade acrylic resin clear coat spray with exceptional clarity, durability, and adhesion. The aerosol is best for indoor and light-duty outdoor applications. It offers permanent UV stability, requires no hardener, and stays flexible while resisting yellowing, cracking, and peeling. The aerosol can features a professional full-finger adjustable fan spray tip for precise application. KBS DiamondFinish Clear 1K and can version is for projects needing a higher level of durability, such as outdoor applications. The clear coat features a moisture-cured polyurethane single-part formulation that provides increased durability. Like the aerosol version, no hardener is required. DiamondFinish Clear has exceptional clarity, durability, adhesion, UV stability, and a resistance to yellowing, cracking, and peeling. The clear coat can be applied by brush, roller, or spray equipment. Then we have KBS MAXX Clear, which is best for applications that need a maximum level of durability, such as automotive body applications. It features a 2-component moisture-cured polyurethane formulation for ultimate durability and offers incredible gloss retention, adhesion, and superior impact resistance while providing fast drying characteristics. MAXX Clear can be applied by brush, roller, or spray equipment. DiamondFinish Clear Aerosol Application Tips. Shake the can for at least 1 minute. Hold the can 8 to 12 inches from the surface and apply in light and even overlapping strokes. 2 thin covering coats typically provide proper coverage. For proper curing, it's important to apply multiple thin coats rather than fewer thick coats. Full cure is usually achieved within 48 hours. DiamondFinish Clear can version and MAXX Clear application tips. Best application temperatures are between 50 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, and since the moisture-cured formula may cure too fast in moist conditions, which can cause bubbling, avoid rainy or high heat and humidity conditions. Stir DiamondFinish Clear thoroughly using a paint paddle, making sure to lift and mix from the bottom of the can to the top. With KBS MAXX Clear, start by mixing the base. Stirring in an upward motion from the bottom of the can to the top of the can is key. Once the KBS MAXX Clear base has been mixed well, measure 3 parts into a clean mixing cup or container. Next, add 1 part of MAXX Activator, mixing the 2 components thoroughly. Thinning is generally unnecessary, but if needed to improve flow and brushing, DiamondFinish Clear is typically thinned about 10%, and MAXX Clear is typically thinned about 5% using KBS No. 1 thinner or xylene. When needed, when rolling, DiamondFinish Clear is typically thinned about 10 to 20%, while MAXX Clear is typically thinned by approximately 5%. Apply a minimum of 3 thin, even coats. As always, for proper curing, apply multiple thin coats instead of fewer thick ones. Avoid puddling and pooling. When using a brush or roller, apply and move on immediately instead of repeatedly brushing. This avoids forcing out solvents, ensuring proper flow and preventing premature curing and visible brush marks. Full cure of DiamondFinish Clear is achieved in at least 7 days and in 3 to 4 hours with MAXX Clear. When rolling, a low nap roller, like a mohair roller, is recommended for DiamondFinish Clear, and a high-density foam roller is recommended for MAXX Clear. When spraying, always wear a respirator and eye protection. Instructions and spraying guidelines for DiamondFinish Clear and MAXX Clear can be found on the KBS website. Preserve the look, stop the rust. Applying DiamondFinish Clear or MAXX Clear seals out moisture, dirt, and chemicals, locking in the patina and protecting it from scratches while preventing further rusting, preserving the beauty of the patina for years to come. KBS products are proudly made in the USA.